Okay. Zomato, do we have anything with respect to review? Clean कर रहे हैं, okay. So we have a Zomato keyword I have entered, and I got a lot of sheets. I'm just looking for one of the sheet. Zomato recommendation system. Okay, we'll take this Bangalore restaurants. What columns we have? Let's see. We have URL, we have address, name, order, online, book table, rate, codes, phone, location, type. This doesn't look interesting. Restaurant data, Zomato, data set. Same thing, it's online order, name, everything. Just giving me the restaurants details. We don't have much numbers into this one. We just have ease home delivery, ease taken. We just have three columns with numbers. Any other suggestions, keywords? Any other suggestions? Which one? Uber? Uber booking? University? Booking data. Whenever you look for it, you just look for this place where it's showing notebook. That means he has written a code for this. And when you look at for data set, that means you have Excel sheet into this. Uber writes data between city and airport. In this one, we have some numbers. That is request ID. We have pickup point. We have driver ID. We have status. We have the request date time. We have the drop timestamp. Yes, I take this. Right. This, have we solved this issue? Whenever you get these files, cut it and place it somewhere where you are keeping your documents. Okay, here you can extract it. Extract it here. Okay, I'm ready with the data, and you can delete this one. After extracting, extract here. It'll give out you, give you the file, and you can delete the remaining one. Okay. How about any other sheets you want to download? Any other sheet? University for student data. University rank is there, university admissions. What do you want? Admissions. we have this data set, data for admission in university. We have a serial number, GRE score, TOEFL score, university rating. Most of them are having numbers itself. I mean, almost numbers are there. Okay, next. Yes, ready with the file. Next. Any other? Huh? Stock. Stock. NSE data.
Yes, sir.
Or Nifty.
NSE.
NSE stock data. Daily data of National Stock Exchange of India for all series. There will be a symbol as they are saying. So what it is, symbol of listed company, and there is a series column is there, which is displaying these values. Opening market price and equity symbol, high, low, close, last. So all these variable columns are there. Okay, then Amazon.
Yes.
Amazon orders data. Amazon fine line, Amazon sales data. Having around 1000 plus products rating and reviews both. We have product ID, product name, category, discounted price, actual price, discounted percentage. Then we have rating product, number of people who voted for Amazon. Okay, we have some interesting numbers here. Yes, we're done. Four sheets we have. Okay, so any one of the sheet we can use it. Admission data, user Uber. Have you experimented with the DICT writer? DICT? No? Yes, anyone? Tell me what to do. Okay. Uh-huh. can filter it out on the left side. We have our filters. All right. So with then open. Okay. File name. File name. C colon slash computer name is James. Users. So we'll take admission data. Okay, it's Keonics desktop. Okay, let's replace the backslash with the forward slash. ADM underscore data. Then we have R. Then we have file object. Okay, done. Next. File CSV. Okay. File object. File object. File object. Reader. We need to have reader. Okay. Then file object. LHS. Okay. Data table I can. Okay. Next. Ready with the data table. Next. Follow. Okay. 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 Then. Let's see if we can read the. Okay, it is reading the data. So it's reading all the data. So I'll open that Excel sheet and tell me and try to see if any questions this sheet can answer. So I'll just share you the number of the type of columns we have. Serial number, GRE score, there is a TOEFL score, university, there is SOP, row, RS, GPA, research, change of admit. There are some numbers available. Average, can you tell me what we need to filter? You get the highest. I mean, good university I want to pick. So what we can take one parameter, we can filter it out. Ranking. Where is the rank? Column B is column B is this one? University, okay. Okay, I think top, I mean, five is the maximum number, I think. This is the 5. There are many universities having 5. Combinedly, we can connect multiple parameters also we can connect. There, The D parameter is 5. Okay, maximum. The next parameter is also highest. Rating. Which one? Rating. Where is rating? CGPA. Okay. Okay. Chance of admit. Okay, this sheet looks like this. You have made some GRE score and you have this much TOEFL score, and this is your CGPA as a student. And probability of admitting into this university is this much. 0.9. 0.9 is the chance of you getting into the university. Okay.
So what is SOP and column can you ask?
This one, I don't know what. There are some parameters for measuring the university ranking, I think. Okay, we need to understand those columns. Then only we can understand the data. Okay, we'll not use this one.
Sir,
Yes.
column by chance of admit is there. Chance of admit is near 1 and there is 92%.
Probably.
GRE score is 337 and TOEFL score is 118. So if both are highest, probability is near 1. Column.
Here it is 90. Near that, it is 330. Near to 337.
There it is 450.
The CGP is also near that. 3 parameters. I mean, all the parameters it's considering and giving out this one. And if you have done the research also, it has done the research also. So all those parameters are there. Everybody may not understand all of them, so we'll use the other one. Okay.
Sir, I think if grade score and TOEFL score, if they are more than 100, there is a probability that the probability is more than 80% of getting admitted.
Correct. It's a language. Correct. The CGPA is the marks that you have taken, the whole aggregate of it. Okay, we can understand that, but how it is connected to that? They have calculated the answer, but what is the equation which gives the answer? SOP. SOP is there are many other standard operating procedure is in company repeating. So how about the university?
We should get the university name.
Names.
Rating also we can.
Rating.
So if you get university names, we can do it easily.
We don't have university names here. This is a probability they are checking. Okay, we use another sheet. Amazon. Amazon.csv. Amazon sales record.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me see what is the error. Can't decode byte in position 4887. Okay. The sheet is not clean. (4887). There's a problem somewhere. $4,800. 9,000. The data is not clean, as you can see.
mentioned in the first plan, sir.
Huh.
You mentioned the road number as 4887, sir. Top left blank is there. Yes, above A1097. Right now it is displaying A1097, sir. Above A. Yes, sir.
This
There
one?
you can mention the road number as 4887. It will take you to that road.
4887 is not there, I think. We do not have a record actually. We just came here randomly. Just trying to clean the data. Just cleaned it. Few of them. And if anything is there, you can clean it. Okay, let's see this again. Map, codec can't. But we are not printing all of them. Unicode decode error is there. So there is a character which it is not able to read. It has to skip it in that case. Can you handle this exception? How can I handle this exception? Which code is producing the error?
In a foreign paper, sir, using space.
Here I should add try.
Yes, sir.
Then
Indentation.
indentation.
Then cat.
Except print I should do. How should I handle this? Unicode. If it is jumping out to this one without printing that, I should say stop here. That's it. It is stopping here. There is another way to track it down. There is another way to track it down which row is actually giving out a problem. I can have an I value. And I will be able to print that value here. I comma line of 0. I'm trying to track where it is. On the first line itself, it is actually taking it out. If you want to explain what is going on, you can make it as E and you can display the information about it. The char map codec can't decode byte of this fine position 4875 character maps undefined. Okay. This is what the problem is with respect to the data that you are going to feed into your program. If you do not clean it, if you skip that one step and directly use that data in your program, then definitely you'll encounter the problems where These kind of errors will get detected. Okay. In machine learning, we have a separate topic for that. Let's choose this for time being a different sheet, or you can truncate some data and you can get it. We have form, final form DF. Luckily, yesterday we got a real data and it was very simple and we did it.
So this data should not create a problem. Data will be clean.
This is clean. It looks clean actually. This stock data. Uh, whose sheet it is? Who will tell what has to be fetched? We have a symbol. Uh, Companies are there. Different types of companies are there. What is EQ?
Series in the sense that there are in multiple platforms, it will be getting traded. So if is one thing.
Okay.
So multiple platforms, EQ is there, EQ is there. So EQ is the most traded one. We can go with EQ for our analysis purpose.
Okay.
And open in the sense, market opens at 9:15 in the morning, sir.
Okay.
First trade happens at 9:15. That rate, that is 1.08.
That is open price for this company.
Yeah, for that company, that is
On this date.
Yeah, on that day. That is the first trade, sir.
Okay.
In the morning.
Okay.
And during the day, market closes at 3:15. During the day, it went up to a high of
Maximum this one.
Yeah, maximum that much. That was
And
the high of the
maximum low of this much.
Yeah, this was low of the day. And at 3:15, closed
Last.
at that price.
This is the closing last one.
Yeah.
It started opened at 37.8 and it closed at 36.85.
8%.
This will be in terms of percentage or rupees?
That is rupees, that is absolute value.
Absolute value. This is 37.4. The
Last
last
is
one.
at 3:30, the price, the market closes. Last is that price. And this close is last half an hour weighted average price.
Okay. Previous close was 37.05.
Yesterday when market closed, sir,
Ah.
37.05 was the value.
Okay. Then we have 271 is total traded value.
Means
How much money has been traded? All shares purchased and sold. Number. Then we have timestamp. Timestamp, okay, it's a date. Then we have total trades happened 202. Then we have ID.
that is shares numbers.
Okay, serial number of the
ID
shares.
company.
Share certificate.
ID of the company.
ID of the company.
Yes.
Okay, so we have these columns ready. Next, we need to read this file. Let's take the file name. Okay, we have the data ready. Printing only one thing. You can also print all of them. Okay, tell me what the insights we can draw out of it. This is stock data, basically.
You can take a company.
We can take a company. So we need to be careful when we actually ask him to display.
So where it is showing here, like what is this?
Here, now. Just click on this one. It will show you this column here. Average is like this. Clearly showing.
So actually, this data should be around 1,000 rows will be enough for the decision. Max to max agency data will be 5,000.
It is from 2017. But it is having these many numbers. These are serial number. 8 lakh.
Year 2017, sir.
2017, 16 also. 1 financial year they have taken.
12 months.
12 months. Okay. Yes. So how do we filter it out?
So we can find out like how much is the traded value for Infosys in the entire year.
For Infosys, I just filtered out my data. Okay, we'll put the logic for all the 8 lakh records. We'll restrict it. All the 8 lakh records.
We'll scan through all the rows, but we'll restrict ourselves to Infosys of one company.
Okay. Yes, so what shall we do further? Do we have the Infosys name here?
Yes, sir.
Shall we control F? It like just to find out. Okay, we could not.
INF
Uh,
INF
by rows. IN your point. It is that. Okay, they have this ID. Infi and ID are unique. Okay, so we can take any one of the parameter. If condition, then at what line it is there? 0, 0 itself. Line of 0 is your name. We are taken as infi. Then only we are going to handle that data. Okay, what do we do with that data? Each record, whenever it is there, whenever we get a record, we just checking whether it is infi or not. If it is there, then it is going to continue. Else, it is going to skip it. How shall I skip it? How can I skip the loop? Break. Continue. I do not want to come out of the loop. I just want to skip the loop. Continue. Okay, here what shall we do with the infi? We got only infi records. Okay, shall we print only those?
Yes.
Let's just print and let's verify only those things are coming on. So what are we printing? We are printing all the records. It's being fast now. There are many on there. All right. Further.
So, we can take date and closing price. So these two columns we can have.
Date and closing price.
Yes. So we'll come to know how it's fluctuating over the months.
This is the date, that is time stamp. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Will you see the trouble that we have in counting? When you count it, you may miss zeros and ones. That's why there is a BICD reader. It's actually helping us to take the name, put it. That's it. No confusion. Okay, this is 10th one, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have the 10. We got a timestamp. So timestamp. What do we need to do?
What is most shares to be bought?
What?
What time the maximum shares will bought?
Shares for what? So share quantity you can check, not the data. Whatever parameter you want to compare, that parameter you need to consider in if condition. Okay. And as you are trying to find out the maximum, you can look for storing them in list, and you can operate on the list a maximum number in that thing. Continuously store that and find out at the end what is the maximum number. That's one thing. Another logic is you continuously look for a new number which is greater than the previous highest. For example, now presently I have 100. If next number is 99, I will not change my 100. I will keep my 100 as maximum itself. If I get a 101, I will change my maximum 100 to 101 because I got a new number that's 101. Get it? This is second logic to find out my the maximum number. At the end, I am getting the maximum value in the maximum variable because it is replacing the previous value with the new value. Got it? Okay. Whichever one you can go ahead. So we have total trades, total value. So value is this one. Value is this one. Quantity is this one. So which one will take?
Quantities. Value is bigger than this.
Value is?
Bigger than the quantity.
Value is bigger. Okay. Trades are thousands. Okay, we'll take this one. Total trades, which is the meaningful value, traded value or trade total trades.
Value.
So
Value
value is nothing but total traded quantity into closing price.
correct. So you can take this one only.
Yes.
This is 9 index number. Yes, you want to take the 9 as a one of the parameter. That is a total traded value, total value, and that value we wanted to check whether it is greater than max Okay, then I need to assign something here. This will help. Okay, so I need to print the max. And not only max, I need a wherever this max is going to print, max is going to have the execution. So I want to print that. Okay, line of because I'm not able to get only one thing. Okay, let's take it out. Let's print it here only. Only line I want to print. We got an exception. We don't have a Type error. There's a type error. Look for the error and decide what to do.
Yes, please.
Again, there's a type error. Okay, so we have the answer ready. I mean, it is printing all the lines where it is having the maximum value. So we have not printed the max. Let's print the max. Only the max value. And another method I told you, you can store whenever it is written, you store the values and find out the maximum of it. How do you create a list and add the elements into that? How do you list? This much is enough.
Yes.
How do I store the elements into that? Okay. Directly like this.
Yes. Append.
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 Huh?
Max.
Max. So now it is storing all the list. Now what should I do? List of one. Like this.
Print max of list ones.
Max of
List one.
like this.
Yeah. Use the square one.
Enough.
Yes.
We have a problem. Float object is not callable. Where is the float object?
Max.
Line number.
14.
Here itself. Float object is not callable. It's a type error again. What is the solution?
Make it as a float.
Which one? We have a type error. We are not able to print the list here. You just want to print the list. Are you getting what is happening? Are you getting what is happening? This is a list it is creating. Okay, it's creating a list, and you need to find out which is the largest number in that. Which is the largest number in that. So how do you do that?
A is equal to
List one dot. Is any method which you can give is helpful to you? We have append, we have extend, insert, pop, remove, sort, count, index, reverse. We told that how do you find a maximum value out of it?
we can put this also, sir. A equal to max of list one.
A equal to max of list one. So do we have max with the list? No? Okay, so what is the logic to find out the maximum value?
So,
Sorter. Okay. Can I have the key? Or directly I can do? So what is the by default sorting? Small to bigger or bigger to small? Ascending order. Okay, ascending order is going to do it by default. So where can I get my maximum value? First or last? Last. How can I get my last value? Minus one. This or minus one? List one of minus one. I can store it in make it a one. Since it is in for loop, it is taking out all of them and listing it out. Non-type object is subscripted. Which non-type object? Okay, it is just a number. It is not returning anything. It is not returning anything. Okay, no recognition in terms of yes, it is printing only one thing, that is list, but it's printing all of them since it is inside the loop and inside the if condition itself. When there is a in fee and it's trying to find out the maximum element in the available list. So first thing you have one element in that maximum is the same one. It is printing it. Now it has two numbers. It is printing the list one, right? We are not returning list one of minus one. Yes. So for first time, this is the maximum, and second time this is the maximum, and next time this is the maximum. And that's how the last one will be the maximum. All right. Last number that you have is the maximum one. Since we are in a loop, this is the maximum number. And now I don't want the whole list. I want only one number, that is last number. How can I do?
So after the yes.
After else?
Yes.
In this for this one else should right? Here we have a float of 9, which is the quantity value greater than maximum. So maximum is presently 1. If it is greater than that 1, then it's going to have continuous values. Continuous values getting taken up and added to the max. And max values we are going to add it every time. Sorting. Every time it is sorting. Let it sort, no problem. Let it work. So we wanted to have only one value to have. How can I do that?
So you need to in line number 18. You need to be equal with the for statement.
For statement?
Your indentation should be equal to for statement, and then there you need to be
this one?
yes. Line number 18. Yes.
Yes, only one number they are able to print. So we are out of for loop and we are printing this one of minus 1. Only one number. Now I can make a statement. What is that? Total
Total
traded value.
maximum total traded value during 2017.
Total traded, total maximum. Okay. Maximum trade value is this one. This is one insight. So such 5 insights for one sheet I told you to create, and such 5 sheets you should use it actually. This was a standard. Got it now? It goes a mental focus into this one to create one insight, right? When you create 5 insights for one sheet, and you create such 5 sheets, then already you are perfect in that. Alright? Even if you don't get it something, immediately go to the internet or you use the chat and try to understand what is going on with the error and those things, and you will immediately do that. And obviously, you will understand what is going on. Now you understood how the code is working. Okay, can we write a comment line for this one? Comments for this one?
Adding the Excel sheet data to the list.
Adding
Excel data.
adding Excel sheet data. No, that's not the one. Add max value in lists. How about this one?
What is the maximum traded value?
Value?
Maximum traded value.
Traded value. And
From column number 9.
from column number 9. Okay. How about this? What it is doing? Why this statement you should do? What is it? Larger value in the list of values. Okay. What this value this is doing? Is it filtering or filtering?
Just
Out of the different names, it's
There are many different communities. Okay. Now the immediate next question, as you answered, I wanted to find out ACC cements. Maximum traded value. What should I change? Only ACC. Okay. Let's get back. Number what? Number. Only that thing I need to change. Okay. I write ACC here. So I got infi is this one. Okay, I got some now different numbers for this. So this is my another insight. For a specific company, I'll have a different value. I mean maximum traded value. Okay, similarly you have different companies. You can go with that. There's a pipe company called Astral. MRF is there. MRF is there. MRF is there. Any other company name? Max. ICICI. I think we don't have list out of range. ITC. Yeah, we have ITC. We have ITC ready. Reliance we have. Complete Reliance we need to write. RIL. We don't have name.
We need to pick the name from the sheet.
Yes, that we need to do. Else we need to display these names in the application. Then we can pick that number and we can do that. Okay, can you understand the whole thing now? Okay, now if I tell you that you have created an e-filter application for EMI. Okay, so in that you have taken a lot of options, and even you have taken that drop down menu, taken text boxes. So in that, if I ask you to write this program and you write it and you find out one number that is getting displayed, all right. And for that application, the data is the Excel sheet. It's taking and analyzing it and displaying one number. And I use these names in the drop down. And if you just type a number, I mean name in the text box, and clear over the drop down, type a name in the text box and just press a button, it has to display this value. Is it possible? Okay. That's how applications will be built. The logic is back in the background. There is a logic, something is working, and we just see a name is added, right? Button press, and we are getting a value. In the background, this kind of programs will be there. All right. Okay. That's data analysis.
SBIN.
SP.
SBIN.
SBIN.
State Bank of India.
Oh, highest. Okay. Its maximum is 81. Uber request data. Uber request data having a request ID, pickup point, airport, all of them. We have the driver ID. Driver ID, okay. One driver. Can you find out one driver how many trips he has went for? Can I use the same program? I'll use the same program, copy paste it here, and I'll use my specific code here. I will not use this else part. I will not sort them.
Location.
I don't need this one. I don't need this one. I just need to change this thing. What is the name of my file? Uber requested request data. Okay, that is ready. And I'll just make my program look lighter. I don't need this one also. I just try to print my lines. And I just check whether it is accessing my data or not. Okay, data is accessed. Now next immediate work is I'll pick my if condition and start writing. What will be my line of 0? I'll just quickly go back to my sheet and I just see that I have driver ID and all of them. I just decided that I wanted to find how many trips this specific driver has done. Okay, I just need a count. Like for example, from the analysis point of view, I just select these things, and here I can see the count 9. I can understand this. If I do this second also, I can understand that it is 9. 9 times the driver has taken that trip. Okay, so I just need to count. So what I need a driver's ID. So in which column my driver ID is there? 0, 1, 2. So I have a clue here. Whether it is equal to 0 to 1. 0, 1. 1 can be under quotes. Okay. Then only that driver details let us print it. Okay. Only that driver whose ID is 1 is being printed. Okay. One filtration is done. Next filtration is how many he has done. how many trips he has done. So how should I count it? I already have the. Can I use that? Okay. I will. Shall I print that count here or here? Outside. Outside. Here. Driver with ID 1 has done 6746 trips. That's wrong. 9, I think. The 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Maximum 13. Fully discounting. Okay. We should put it inside here. Only this much. Okay, let us play it now again. So it's saying 13. That's right. Okay. Yes. So I don't need this one. Should I remove this? So as I told you, initially our aim is only to count. So inside the if condition, only counter is kept. So the maximum inside is this one only. The whole sheet is having a lot of records. Only one line inside is the expected answer. Got it? Okay, now I want you to filter it out. How many times you went to airport? I'll show you the sheet. Just let me know how do you filter it out. Pick up point. You tell me the ID. Index number.
Pickup point equal to city.
Pick up point equal to city. Where here?
Yes. Line number 2 equal to double equal to pickup point equal to city.
No, this ID is one. That's there.
Yeah. Pickup point you write city.
Okay. No, if line of 2 is equal to 1, this is one condition, it is filtering. I want to add one more condition to this one. Where should I write? I am asking.
So below the
That's only one possibility. Any other option I have? Above this also we can write. Second possibility. And also we can write. And is also one option. Can you write it?
Yes.
Okay. And like this. Okay. And line of one. Airport. Complete string and I need to write it. Okay. Let us filter it out. How many times he has gone? So we're just going to do that. Or separately inside if you want. That thing you can do it by writing two ifs. Same lines. Okay. I just combining it. Driver's ID has done trips to airport. Yes. Driver with ID 1 has done 7 trips to airport. Is that right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there.
So you will
Why saying 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 is there.
So you are giving count equal to
Y equal to 1 I have given. Okay. Okay. So 1 I have given, so that's why it is taking it. Now this is 0, but it is pre-incrementing.
First two is zeros. Is so it has a one set. It has a one set. You can remove one.
Here?
Yes, sir.
What happens when I remove 1? It is needed.
How would we enter as a zero, sir?
Correct.
We have taken I equal to 0 plus 1, sir. But it is a 0, sir. We can take I plus 0. It is taken as a 1, sir.
I plus 1 extra. Every time it is 0 only. I is 0. 0 plus 0 you are trying to add.
I plus 1 minus 1. I plus 1.
Minus I.
Minus
No, it is just making a.
In the Excel sheet also, you can do the analytics.
Obviously.
Just you go to the there, first row. First row, sir. Number 1. Once 1.
Here?
Headers are there. Yeah.
Header here.
Yeah. Then click on the one, sir.
This one?
Yeah. Now that header row is selected, sir.
Header is selected.
Yeah, that is selected. Now right click. There is an option. One filter option is there, sir. You need to select that row and go on filter.
Okay.
Yeah, filters are available, sir. Now pickup point is there, no, sir. Yeah. Now you have selected one pickup point airport. Click on OK. It should give request. It's giving request ID, sir, not the driver ID.
Only airports we need to check. This is airport. 6 only. 7. Okay. I think this record is at the end. That's why we are not able to see it. Selected few of them. So the answer is correct according to the sheet. So we can't see that sheet.
Sir, expect in the Excel, sir.
So that's how it happens. We do not. We are not able to get the complete sheet accurately because of the different records. The sheet is saying that it is having 7, but we can't see all the 7. We just saw 6. One is already there somewhere below. So whose driver ID is 1 itself. Okay, so it is an actual 7. Get it? You would have ignored it, but it is very dangerous to ignore such numbers. We are expecting 6, it is giving 7. But even after having our code right, because we believe in our code that it should give 6, it is giving 7. Okay, I hope you got it. This is drop time, this is request time. You can filter it out with the different insights. And this is the trip status, trip completed. Is there any trip incomplete somewhere status? Cancelled is also there, okay. Cancelled and no car available, they are also there. Okay, trip cancelled. So if you are a Uber analytic engineer, if you have been told that we are getting lost because of a lot of requests are coming, but they are getting cancelled. Check out in which city the orders are cancelling, and for which who is the driver who is cancelling maximum rides. Because by cancelling the rider, he will take the offline cash and take the ride for the customer. That is the problem. And how do you solve that? What is the wrong statement? You book it, call the driver with the help of application. He came till you, and now you don't want that cab driver to give an OTP. You don't give OTP. You cancel the ride. The driver says, "Okay, cancel the ride." You give 10 rupees less, no problem, but cancel the ride.
20% is what you say.
He'll give the discount and cancel the ride, and he will. The driver also agree. and the passenger also agree, and both of them will offline go without telling the Uber. Okay, so such cancels will happen. In Bangalore, it usually happens, and even autos will happen. So such cancellation will be happening in our company as a Uber, Uber ML engineer. How do you see this problem and how do you analyze it? We have this Excel sheet data. I'll give it to you. How do you check it? If they give you this problem, how do you solve this?
The help of drivers is doing a lot of
So we should find out.
It's basically fraud for a company Uber.
So we should find out from whose side cancellation is getting initiated, from the customer side or from the cab owner side.
No, he knows that driver knows that if I cancel, I will be reported.
So
He knows this is data. Data is asking.
So he initiates them.
Here, driver asks passenger to cancel it because driver is offering a discount.
So whenever in the transactions, cab is booked and the driver is there, cancellation process, company should not go immediate cancellation. It should keep on processing
no, sir,
for 5 minutes.
It's I think bad experience for the
Bad experience for companies.
We
Or
get
at least that cab owner, he will stop their practice. Anyway,
You will not have. You will not have.
Anyway, customer just wants to reach his destination.
we can get 10% charge on the fee
When
you can.
again bad experience.
Then why
No one will start booking. Even in situation where I actually genuinely want to cancel the rider, you are like penalizing me with some.
We should do one thing, sir.
After booking, they should mention sometime.
Okay.
After that, you can't cancel this.
Okay. Okay. So that means
Sir, once the transaction is cancelled, we should track the locations of the cab driver and the passenger.
nearby.
And the passenger.
Ah.
Okay. After half an hour, if they reach the same destination which was booked through Uber, okay, then this leads to malpractices from the cab owner side. Then company should take it to the court.
But legally they can't hold them accountable because it will be like a spy, and that's again illegal. They will sue you in the court.
We can give ratings.
Rating
Rating to the passenger.
to the passenger.
We cancels
Like civil score, like civil score of okay. Again, he is a customer obviously, he's paying something. Next time if he say, I don't pay, then he will not pay.
Sir, in that
You
case,
don't know. You can't say.
in that case, what you should do,
Yes.
whenever he wants to book a customer, and in the same area, other 4-5 cab owners are there, the company should give them first preference, cab drivers.
Okay.
If no cab owner is available in the nearby destination, then only that customer should be allotted to that cab owner. That process should be delayed for the cab owner.
Okay, that's right.
So whenever he cancels the book, sir, he will directly pay to the company.
How is possible? Whenever he cancels the rider, he's paying it to the driver. Offline, he's in front of you. It is similar to like you are going somewhere and you are taking auto. And you are giving the payment and he's taking you somewhere. That's it, finished. The transaction is finished. So the problem here is somebody is making fraud and you are Uber company's employee and you are loyal to the Uber company and you are sitting on a computer and this access is being given to you. And you have to solve the problem of fraud. How do you do that?
The driver having more number of fraud like that.
No, this is the Excel sheet that is being given to you. This is the data. There are cancelled. There are cancelled.
Drivers.
The drivers.
No, sir. We can check the city in which place the is captured.
Cancelled. Okay, that's one thing. Okay.
Sir, one of the companies.
I think this city is something same. Okay, we don't have. I think that data. Yeah, the data is not there. Places this data is not there. Okay, can you find out who is the driver who has cancelled maximum?
Yes, sir.
what can be done?
Driver ID.
Driver ID. Driver ID is this one. Okay, driver ID is one we have taken. So what should I take here?
Answer is a form.
Can I use this program? Can I use this program? Oh. Yes, I'm reading the Uber data. In this one, I have taken the for loop. Data is available. I'm also counting in the for loop. And here I am saying this is my driver ID. There is two that I want to pick it first. What should I add? What do we need to compare? Cancellation we need to compare. Where is that cancellation column? Status, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. I'll pick the value from there itself. Okay, capital C is there. It's cancelled. I've only taken only those rows which are having cancelled. Filtered. Next. What do we need to have?
Sir, just print the data. What output we get? Print like.
Fine. Okay. Okay. Now only cancelled. Only cancelled are coming. Filtered. Data is filtered. Next. You're reading all the data of cancelled. So in this, all the rows, you can see there are different numbers available. Right? There are different numbers available. Okay. So you can see 25 in on the screen itself 2 times.
So we need to have
27, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 times.
So we need to
With
have
this, what do you understand?
2 for loops.
2 for loops. You need to have 2 for loops, okay?
One to read the data of the driver. And one
Okay.
to read the data of the cancelled.
No, we can use with the help of line of 0, line of 3. In this case, this is your 0, this is 1, this is 2.
So which driver ID?
Do you remember we did some program on occurrences?
We need to
How many times?
Driver cancel.
No, that specific number has occurred
in a list.
in a list. And what is the maximum number that we got it, and that number we wanted.
So we need to list. We need to create a list cancel.
Cancel. Okay. We need a list called a cancel.
List of cancellations.
Okay.
Cancel.
Okay. Next.
Cancel the list. So we need to append the cancelled driver IDs into that list.
We need to
Append the driver
Append.
IDs into that list.
driver IDs. Driver IDs means 2. Okay. Next.
So
This
next
is
line
done.
will be maximum number of occurrences to find out.
Maximum number of occurrences we need to find out. Okay. How do we find out maximum number of occurrences?
Counting function.
Counting function will do. Okay. So how do we count? You did that earlier with this condition.
So direct count.
Direct count. There is no count.
List dot function.
Cancel is not count.
Cancel dot list.
Dot
Count.
count. Next. Return the number of occurrences of value.
Store into another variable.
Driver ID, sir.
Here I should give driver ID.
ID, sir.
This is my driver ID.
Yes, sir.
So what should I receive here?
Equal count.
I should print counter. You're seeing only one.
This will be the entire list, sir.
It's giving the entire list and it is printing it. It's printing the entire list.
So remove the counter into 0.
This one,
Yes, sir. No.
same. Hey, wait.
Sir,
See, yes.
Lines inside the. Removing that.
What should I add?
Only that was empty string.
Empty. Like this.
Then
What do you want to do? No, it is asking something, right? I have to give them. Okay, so I wanted to have the list to count some occurrences. Like I have the line 2, which is having IDs, numbers. In single code, when you have the single code data, that is nothing but a string, and it is presently in a string itself, and it is counting it and returning the integer number. That's I am trying to print it. It's printing all the values like 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time it is printing it. Since we are in for loop. Yes, it is printing 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the
these contents, sir, this output is contents of the list. Of that cancelled list.
correct. So if I print only the cancelled list as you are appending it, if you are appending it, I can see it can be printed like this because it is here available. It prints like this. So every time you are having this executed, that is cancelled one, it is taking the line of 2 and it is appending it like this.
So
Okay.
scroll to the end of the output, sir. Scroll down this.
It is there.
Let's see over the end data appears. Sir,
300.
every number is repeated 4 times.
Yes.
So that's why I think is it in a confusion to use the output, sir.
No, it is just printing it because you have the for loop which is repeating these cancelled values repeatedly.
Sir, to do one thing, sir. In the cancel list, in the go to Excel sheet and change the data list.
What do we need to change?
Uh,
I think they have the data problem.
you write it 162. There.
This is a driver ID.
Yeah, write 162, sir. So now 162 was repeated 4 times, repeated 5 times.
All the values. So all the values are not repeating.
No, sir, in the
Some of the
entire
values.
Excel sheet, 162 is cancelled 5 times. Sir.
5 times.
All the values are repeated 4 times. Sir.
4 times.
162 is repeated 5 times. Sir.
So
So now we should expect driver ID 162 to be the output, sir, in the program.
no, they will repeat just 5 times, not more than that. All other will repeat 4 times. So 162 will repeat 5 times.
So he has cancelled more number of times than all other IDs. So he should be the culprit.
This is 164. Now 164 is here. We have 164. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. 8 times.
Then 164 should come.
Stop. I want all of you to get into this one, use the Excel sheets, study the Excel sheet, data in that, study if it is dirty data, clean it, and keep all the data ready. Prepare the data Excel sheet and keep it ready. Read them in program, display it once, use the format and display it once. Then try to understand the data. Try to question yourself what kind of data it is and what kind of data they have written it. And then with this data, what I am able to understand. That understanding, you create a question. Like I see, there are drivers who have cancelled some rights. I see that I wanted to know how many people have cancelled. This is my question. On the data itself, I am questioning again. I see there are a lot of drivers who are going to airport. I got a question that how many times they have gone. When I'm asking how many times, I'm actually asking the number. Okay. So such questions you put it to yourself and bring me the insights. All right. Do the Excel sheet having more numbers, numeric columns, and then do that. All right. So these exercises will build your programming muscles strong if you work on it properly. Okay. If you do not work on it, they will not build. You need a practice for those reflexes to work in that angle. All right. Now, whenever I make a mistake or whenever I do some changes, you'll be able to know now because you have gone through that exercise now. Now you can understand this. So that has to happen. Please go through this one and do the assignments timely. When I tell today evening it has to be there. When I say tomorrow evening, so before we start the class, you should be here and talk to others, use your time and finish it and push it again. Okay? You should not have any compromise on that assignment. Okay? I hope I am expecting the right outcome from all of you, and I'm telling you all those things. I'm not keeping any doubts in your mind, and I'm expecting the same outcome from your side also. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. Tomorrow you don't have a chance to ask the doubts. That I had a doubt, that's why I didn't have an assignment. Okay? I hope I am clear with this. All right. So we'll stop by today. We'll continue tomorrow with the new topics in your presentation. All right. Thank you all.